media. Yes, man.
So what we're supposed to be doing here today, we will be speaking with a scammer, some of those scammer guys. One of them supposedly has agreed to come in and speak to us. As a matter of fact,
Tongue of them there. Donkey tongue of them there. Me have to listen to this shit of them there.
so thank you for coming to see us.
First thing, why fee come? Second thing, me don't really do that shake and something. You see what I'm saying? You look like say you just fish and not even wash your hands. So me don't really do that shake and something. You see me?
Okay, have a seat.
Me can take it.
What?
Do you say me can have a seat? So me just make sure say me can take it.
No, I did not mean you can take the seat.
So you say me can have a seat for?
I meant you could use it to sit.
So me can never say that.
But that's what I said. I said, you know what? Never mind. Never mind. Right off the bat, are you a scammer? I plead the fifth. This is not a courtroom, so we're just doing an interview. You don't need to plead the fifth.
Alright, ask me again.
Are you a scammer?
I plead the sixth.
Are you
I plead the seventh.
Are you
I plead the blood.
What?
I plea. My plea.
Have you ever done any scamming before?
Yes, Mrs. Goldberg, you can send it to the agent. The agent name is Teddy Brockshot. Yeah, that's the agent name, Teddy Brockshot. Yes, ma'am, your lottery winnings is on the way. Alright, call me back as soon as you send off the money, alright? What is that the question?
Have you ever done any scamming before? No. No. But I just heard you.
I'm a baby mother, me did that talk.
And how old is your baby mother?
Hold on, let me check the look at list here. Let me check the list here and see. Gold. She is 97.
And where does she live?
And she live 126 White Lane. Pinesburg. Pa. Yeah, Pa.
It's Pennsylvania.
Eh?
The PA. Pa, as you put it, it's Pennsylvania.
And that me say? Pa, Pennsylvania, same thing.
Some would say.
Wait, Dirty Winsome say?
I'm sorry. Who is Winsome?
Yeah, ask me now. You just say Winsome, bad man.
No, I said some would say. It's just another way of saying people.
So why you never just say that instead of talk about Winsome? Well, them people, yes, man.
People would say that you are a disgrace for scamming from old people. What do you have to say to that?
So you want me to answer that question there? Hold on, may I answer? Hold on, please more. That's my answer to that question there.
How long have you
You
been...
can say something?
Sure, go ahead.
Alright, what you know? Munchie and Pauline presents a night called Twang of Them There, November 26th in Brooklyn, New York. $10 pre-sold, $20 at the gate. Bring your queen,
all right, stop.
leave your machine. Munchie, big up yourself, you know. Bap.
Did you just plug a party while I'm here trying to interview you?
Yeah, me tell Munchie say me that dip on the program, so she just ask me if we can shout out her party for her. And we just deal with that, just say me boom, bang, bang, a easy thing, you see that. Munchie, big up yourself. I don't know what to say. Yo, but hear me I say no, on a different level, see? You see that little square something there we wanna do. Wanna put the something over people's face, you see me? I make the invites all deep. And I can't deal with that for me.
Sure, I guess we can do that.
Ah, man.
Are you okay?
Me I look for the little square something them, but me not see them.
You will not see them now. We do it when we are editing.
Alright, in the editing, when me say put it up, when I put it up, yeah?
Sure, whatever.
Put it up. Take it down. Put it up. Take it down. Put it up. Take it down. So my voice no sound deep yet. Yo, you don't know about no bad man, you know, I mean, a boy run up in my place and get slapping on them face.
You will not hear it now. We do that in editing.
Oh, now do it in the editing?
This guy's an idiot.
Alright, when you do the editing, Zine, put this in a deep voice.
Open your legacy, girl, me no stop crying. Open up or just to be your guy. Open your legacy, girl, me no stop crying. Open up or just to be your guy. I love you, girl, my love is true. You do me rock too. You know my love is true. Yeah, good time, yeah. Open up or just to be
I'm sorry. Can we just end this interview right now? Can we just... Sure. Okay, good.
Thank you for coming. Have a
I'm a
great
general.
day.
Bless up on yourself, you see me?
Wow.
Bless up on yourself, man.
guy's
Look
a
at
real
boy, we have
idiot.
to work, we gotta take care of. Baby mother send some money. Stop him! He has my wallet! He has my wallet! So what do you have to say to people who say don't make fun of scamming because it's a serious thing? Well, Mood, I tell them if you do like Vibes Cartel after time they done bleach. Lighten up. It's just a joke. Isn't it? Can't take a joke. I don't know what to say.